This is a DrillPro pruning tool, 18-volt Makita battery compatible, and in this video we're gonna put it to the test. Hello YouTube, hello my viewers, and welcome to another unboxing and testing video. I received this package from Banggood, and inside we will find a pruner, 18-volt, 2.5 amp hours battery, Makita compatible. Inside we find the user manual, some tools and a sharpening stone, a 2 amp charger, (18-volt 2.5 amp hour battery, and the DrillPro pruning tool. On first sight it looks very nice. Makita battery compatible, carrying cord, rubberized hand grip, trigger, and there is a counter here, so that will count your cuts. Let's attach the battery, turning it on. You have to press 2 times. And then some specifications. It has a brushless motor. It can cut up to 35 millimeters, or the gape of the shears is 35 millimeters. Carbon steel. The maximum power 500 watts and the rated power is 100 watts. And here you can see the counter and the battery life. The gape is around 35 millimeters and it can cut up to a diameter of 24 millimeters, according to the description. Very nice, light-weighted for cutting branches or cutting your fruit trees or your bamboo or flowers. Gonna test it now. A short example of how it operates. Turn it on here. Trigger twice, then it's on. If you hold the trigger and it beeps once and it beeps 2 times, then it's off. If it beeps once, you have a smaller gap, maybe for flowers or something. Now I have some branches of a fruit tree here. It's an apple tree. Just showing you how fast it works. A little closer. So it works very fast. You absolutely have to keep your fingers away from the shears. So the thickest part of the diameter of this branches were 15 millimeters. And as you can see, the 1 centimeter, 10 millimeters, cutting very easy. Now this part is 30 millimeters, 1.8. Show the other side. And I have a piece of around 25, 27 millimeters. And the specification says 24, but I'm gonna try anyway. And these branches are fresh out of the apple tree. Now this piece is the thickest part. That's too hard for it. Now this is the part that got stuck on. That's about 27 millimeters. So I did around 110 cuts, 112. And it's a very nice tool, very strong. The battery feels a little cheap. You can see that maybe. But it's okay. If it works, it's okay. Very light. And then about safety. When the battery is attached, make sure you don't come anywhere near the blades with your fingers, because you will definitely injure yourself very badly. Now, I have seen other tools that have a sensor inside the hand grip, so it won't work when you don't touch the hand grip like this. And this one doesn't have that. Now I will put a link in the description to this product on Banggood, and you will get a reduction there. And the price for the set I showed you is around 40 euros. Of course, it's up to you what you think about it. Please let me know in the comments what you think about it. And for now, I hope you like this video, so please give it a like, subscribe to my channel for future videos, and I hope to see you next time.